For this video, I am going to teach you how to pause video recording on an iPhone. So if you don't know yet, in iOS 18, Apple introduced a new feature that allows you to pause video recording directly within the camera app. So this update is extremely useful for users who want to record continuously but pause at certain moments without creating multiple video files. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can do that. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply unlock your iPhone and open your camera app. So I have one right here. So swipe to the video mode if it is not already selected and tap the record button or the red record button to start recording your video as usual. And the timer at the top of the screen will appear or will begin counting, indicating the recording is in progress. So to pause the recording, just simply look for the pause button, which looks like the two vertical lines on the left side part of your screen. So just simply tap this button and the video will pause. And the recording timer will stop, as you can see right here. So it is not right now in red. So the text is not in red. And once you tap again, then the recording will continue. So that is it. That is how you can pause your video recording on an iPhone. So basically the recording will continue from where you left off without creating a new file. So now once you are done, just tap onto the stop button or the red square to finalize the recording, and the pause sections will not be noticeable in the final video, making it a one continuous clip. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.